We're happy little Vegemites, as bright can be. Put me in your cooking and I'll make you spew. We're back in the kitchen today, and today we're making another pasta, following a recipe I saw on Facebook. Now, I love Vegemite. I was raised on it. But even in my opinion, it goes on toast with cheese and nothing else. That's the only way you have Vegemite. Maybe it's because I woke up hungry, but I saw this thing on Facebook and I thought, oh, that looks nice, so we'll give it a go. We're doing a pasta stir through today. With Vegemite. Basically all we're doing is melting down the Vegemite with a bit of butter, throwing in some garlic, salt and a bit of cheese, and then tossing it through the saucepan. Now I'll be honest, I've got no idea how much butter to use, so we'll just use a lot. And we'll just balance it out until it looks good. Let's wait for that to melt. Alright, so we've got our Vegemite. Kidding. Never ever ever eat Vegemite off the spoon. You'll kill yourself. This is going straight in the pot. Now I'll be honest, I've got no idea what we're doing here. There's our lump of Vegemite. I'll be honest, I've never once in my life cooked with Vegemite. Alright, now for a bit of extra flavour, I think I'm going to leave the salt because Vegemite is extremely salty as it is. But we're going to need more butter. That's a lot of butter, I know, but Vegemite's really, really thick. We're throwing in some garlic salt for flavour. Fresh garlic would be better, but this is what the recipe called for. We're happy little Vegemites, as bright can be. Put me in your cooking and I'll make you spew. I'll just turn the heat down on that because I don't want the butter to burn. Do you know what? That is actually starting to smell really, really good. Alright. I think now's a good time to throw some pasta in. Let's give that a good toss around, get the colour through it. Right. So the most important part of every Vegemite dish is the cheese. Give that another toss through. We need more cheese. Alright, I admit it, I used too much cheese. Vegemite and cheese pasta. What could go wrong? That's looking pretty well done to me. Very Vegemite-y. So cheesy it's one lump. Alright, moment of truth. It doesn't look too bad. I did perhaps cook with too much cheese. That's actually not bad. That's actually really, really good. I think next time, less cheese. And dare I say it, maybe even more Vegemite. I think that's a win.